Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to outline cells just like so. Well, as you can see now, if you saw this in the first place, you would think that this is actually a table, that I was doing it from here in the third table, etc. And that's a table. But trust me guys, this is not a table at all. So, for example, if I did that, for example, let me just do it here, table, like that. So that's a table. But the thing that I've done here is looking like a table, but I didn't use this answer table function yet. So how you can do this and make the outline for a cell? So basically go to whatever cell you want. So for example, let's try to copy this table into our another sheet. So here, basically what I start with is the title. So I make arrangement for title, I make black color, and then here, for example, I will add something like that. Here I will add name, like here age, and here payments or something like that. I don't know. So let me just make him white, and I'll make him in the middle and add them like that. Now, in order to make these cells look like a table, just go ahead and select them as you can see now, and then basically go to here to borders and select these all borders just like that. Here you go. Of course, you can use that for one cell, you can use it for two cells, so four cells, and so on. And there is multiple option of borders. You can go through them and editing them. You can make the line color, line style, and so much options that you can go through by your own. So that's how I made my table, just using borders and outline of cells, not using the table function itself. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.